Today, Alton Towers officially confirmed the name for their brand new ride for 2025. It is of course Toxicator, a brand new Huss top spin to come into Alton Towers in Forbidden Valley for 2025. I'm pretty sure everyone and their cat probably knew about this name, but still Alton Towers today released it with a press release as well, detailing a few bits of the ride and what we can expect coming in 2025 or this year now. But listen to this, folks, you're not going to believe this. It's going to be the world's first top spin to be elevated above ground level. When you have the world's first 14 inversion roller coaster and the world's first top spin to be elevated above the ground, I know which record is more impressive. It's going to be able to accommodate over 500 riders per hour, which is quite a high capacity for like a thrill ride or a big thrill ride or a big flat ride rather. But yeah, the TV advert, this is the actual TV advert that we're seeing on Alton Towers Facebook. And they've actually put quite a lot of effort into it, to be fair. It's kind of like a sequel to the first video that we saw in the fireworks, if that makes sense. I mean, it's just so great to see a brand new flat ride at Alton Towers. People say, oh, it's just Ripsaw coming back, but you know, it's a bit different. There's going to be two big theming elements at the side, which is confirmed to be some sort of water effect in there as well, like fountains and stuff. So that'll be pretty cool to look at. On the sides, it's going to be 16 feet off the ground, which is also very impressive as well. A world's first. Something to come from if you're all the way in Asia or Japan or something. But I am especially excited for this one because I've never rode a top spin before. I don't know what the experience is like, so I'm actually really excited to go to Alton Towers on opening day and actually try this out because I don't know what one feels like or one rides like or anything like that. So I'll be interested to kind of try it out for myself the first time as well, which will be something very special. Toxicator being the first top spin I ever did. I've always really wanted to do one, but they were either closed or not operating or wasn't tall enough for one. So it's nice to be able to finally ride one at Alton Towers in Forbidden Valley. And hopefully this is a sign for much more flat rides to be coming in the future at Alton Towers. I mean, to be honest, most of the ride is actually there and constructed. They've just got the scaffolding at the side, which is covering like some of the theming bits. But like the main structure and the seats and everything itself are all in. They're nice and green, which I think is something different. I think that's the main thing now. We see so many rides and so many flat rides installed across the world, which is kind of copy and paste each other. But the green colour scheme, I think, is something quite different. And not many flat rides, I can't think of any, that are this bright coloured green on the seats. So I think it's something a bit different. The theme is very interesting for Forbidden Valley. I'm very interested to see how they play this one out. But it's looking good. A new flat ride to Alton Towers. It's what fans have wanted for ages. And it's going to be something new for 2025. Unless they surprise us with a brand new roller coaster. World's first roller coaster. Fully over water. Oh, sorry. We already have that. I mean, this is just the start of many new things to come to Alton Towers for the next few years. I mean, you've got Toxicator this year. In the pipeline, you've also got the family coaster. Over the horizon, you've also got Horizon. Taking that into 2025 still. That same joke. I'm ashamed of myself for still saying that. I really am. What do you think to Toxicator? Let me know in the comment section down below. And let me know what you think to the green colour scheme. It's definitely something different. But I think it's nice to have something different in a world where a lot of things are the same. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.